You're watching my latest series, Sanitizing Your Makeup Kit with Kitsana. Now more than ever, sanitation and hygiene is of the utmost importance when it comes to your makeup, whether it's for your makeup kit for professional artists or for your own personal safety at home. Today I'm going to show you a very quick demonstration on how I sanitize my pencils. So grab a clean sharpener and your pencil, and you're going to sharpen until desired length. Grab a tissue and spray alcohol and spin that pencil around and let it dry. And then apply. Now you can do the same with eyebrow pencils and eyeliners too. This ensures that you are not spreading germs to your clients or even to yourself if you happen to have a virus and not be aware of it. I just bought a small spray canister for 90 cents, and that's easy to put in my kit or just leave on my bathroom counter to use it anytime I need. Thanks very much for watching, and please stay tuned for any upcoming video on how to sanitize eyeshadows.